Let's make our favorite smoothie. That's a good idea. Welcome back to our channel, and we're the Chery Sisters. Today we have a special guest, our cousin.
Hi everyone, I'm so glad to be here.
Let's go make a chocolate banana smoothie.
Let's go. So what do we need for this chocolate banana smoothie?
We need ripe bananas, chocolate syrup, milk, ice, and a blender. Let's blend it.
Ooh, that looks so yummy.
Yeah. Oh my god, I can't wait to try this. It looks so yummy.
Do we have some cream?
No, but we can make our own. We just need heavy cream, powdered sugar, vanilla, and a frozen bowl. Put 2 cups of heavy cream in the bowl. Add 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And a half a teaspoon of vanilla.
And mix it up until it's fluffy. Now we need to add the whipped cream.
Now let's decorate it. I think mine looks the best.
Mine looks the best.
No, mine looks the best.
Cheers.
So good.
Make sure to like and subscribe to see more.
We want to give a shout out to our friend Wiggins for editing our videos. See you next week. Bye. Okay, let's go. I didn't get the rubber guys to promise.